To add multiple fingerprints on your Mac, first, open System Settings from your Apple menu, then select Touch ID and Password from the list of options. You may need to enter your password or use your existing fingerprint if it's already set up. Once you're in the Touch ID settings, click on Add Fingerprint. Place the finger you want to register on the Touch ID sensor and follow the on-screen instructions. The system will ask you to adjust your finger slightly in different positions to get a complete scan. Once it's done, you can give that fingerprint a label, like right index or something helpful. You can keep adding more fingers by clicking Add Fingerprint and following the same process until you've registered all the fingers you want. The system allows you to have multiple fingerprints stored, so this is a great way to use different fingers or allow family members to unlock your Mac. After you're done, each finger registered will show up in the Touch ID section, and you can select which one you prefer for specific actions like unlocking your Mac or authorizing payments. It's easy to manage and customize, so feel free to keep the list up to date as needed. Make sure to give this video a like if it helped, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips and tricks on making the most of your tech.